podcast. 5 AI prompt mistakes killing your output. Avoid now. Hey everyone, welcome back to the Banana Thumbnail Podcast, where we bring thumbnails to life to crush the competition. Today we're diving into a topic that's crucial for anyone using AI tools. 5 prompt mistakes that could be killing your output. Absolutely, and it's kind of wild, right? There are so many people using AI every day, yet they're making the same mistakes. What's the first thing we should address? Well, let's start with the rule of thumb for crafting a great prompt. It's all about structure, specifically using frameworks like role, task, and detail. Wait, so you're saying if someone just types "give me marketing tips," they could get a totally useless response? Exactly. When you treat AI like a simple search engine and throw vague instructions at it, you're likely to get generic results. It's frustrating for users, especially when they don't realize how important it is to be specific. Got it. So if they want good outputs, they need to define their role and task better, right? Yes, and that brings me to our second mistake, ignoring context and role. If you skip providing context, your AI could end up hallucinating, essentially making things up. Oh wow, that's actually really interesting. I didn't know. AI could do that. Yeah, for content creators, this is a major headache. Ignoring context can lead to nearly 45% of outputs being useless. Imagine spending hours tweaking a prompt just to get garbage back. That's a huge time sink. So how can people fix that? Alex, the key is to assign the AI a specific role. Think of it like giving it a job title. If you tell the AI it's a marketing expert, it knows to pull from that expertise. This approach can boost output depth by a whopping 57%. So if I'm understanding correctly, by specifying what role the AI should play, it's like handing it a manual? Exactly. It's about grounding the AI so it doesn't just randomly generate content. This simple trick can significantly improve the relevance of the responses. Speaking of improvement, what are some techniques for maximizing AI output quality? Great question. About 25% of my audience uses AI for serious business, and they often fall into a trap I call the citation traffic paradox. Okay, that sounds intriguing. What's that about? Well, just because an AI cites your brand doesn't mean people are clicking through to your site. For example, G2 lost a massive 84.5% of its organic traffic, even though they were heavily cited in AI responses. Whoa, that's a real eye-opener. So what can they do about it? They need to feed their AI-specific data points. Pages with around 19 or more statistical data points average significantly more citations compared to generic ones. It's all about giving the AI hard numbers to work with. That makes total sense. It's like giving the AI the right fuel to run properly, right? Exactly. And moving on, another big shift is happening in the move from simple prompts to system design. By 2026, autonomous AI agents are expected to handle entire workflows instead of just single tasks. Wow, that's a big leap. So if someone's still using basic prompts in a few years, they might get left behind? Absolutely. Those who don't adapt will struggle. And with the rise of multimodal integration, mixing text, video, and audio inputs, you'll see a 40% boost in output relevance. That's fascinating. It's like building a custom exhaust system where everything has to flow together seamlessly. Spot on. And speaking of flow, let's touch on the financial impact of bad prompts. A lot of businesses don't realize that bad inputs can lead to serious traffic loss. Right? I remember you mentioning something about B2B websites experiencing a 34% year-over-year traffic loss. What's behind that? Exactly. Poor AI visibility due to vague content can really hurt. If AI can summarize information well, users might not even click through to your site. Wow, that's a wake-up call for anyone relying on AI. Are there any tools that can help with all of this? Yes, there are tools like Prompt Perfect, which refines vague prompts and can boost relevance significantly. And then there's LangChain, which enhances efficiency for multi-step tasks. So it's about working smarter, not harder, right? Exactly. At the end of the day, you have to stop treating AI like magic and start treating it like a machine. Put in the effort up front to understand structured prompts, and you'll see a major improvement in output quality. Awesome. To wrap things up, it sounds like the key takeaways here are to be specific, provide context, and use the right tools to refine your AI interactions. Absolutely. And remember, the future is all about evolving with AI, so don't get left behind. That's a wrap for this episode of the Banana Thumbnail Podcast. Thanks for listening, and we'll catch you in the next one.